Real estate prices have risen considerably in many areas around the world. Investors and average people alike are wondering, will prices fall? And how can I tell what will happen? On today's episode, we'll discuss just how you can determine the future of real estate. You came here for the truth, so let me unveil that for you. Let's get into this today. No matter where you live around the world, you will be able to have a good sense of where real estate prices are going. So now this is not a comprehensive list of everything you ever needed to know, but this is a very good selection of key indicators to pay attention to. Let's move through it very quickly. I'm going to show you statistics, indicators from the US, but I'll show you how you can apply this to any country, any city. You need to know two important things first of all, and that is housing starts and building permits. So the housing starts here. You could see that at census.gov. So that's important. And then you have the building permits, which is also very important. You want to know how much new construction is going on. Look at the trend. How is it basically over the last year, over the last 5 years and 10 years and 20 years? Look at it currently versus what we've seen in the past during recessions or during war times or anything like this. And you want to compare those different times. Don't just look at it at face value, take a number. Okay, there's 100,000 new homes going up. Well, that's not good enough. You need to compare that historically and see where it went from that point. So this is very interesting, very important. You want to see vacancies and home ownership. This is obviously very essential. Look, during the financial crisis, after the subprime crash, we saw vacancy rates soaring, and you had particular areas reaching nearly 20%. It was so high, and those areas in particular will show you the weakest areas of that nation. It'll show you the weakest areas of the smaller parts of any particular country, the cities or states or provinces or anything like that. So you can get a good sense of that by seeing housing vacancies and home ownership. You also want to check out corporations that are involved in the construction business, whether that's all down the line, one very important one being Caterpillar. CAT is one of the tickers you need to check out because this will give you a good sense of what's happening in the construction business. So keep your eyes on that. And this here doesn't even need to be said, but the Fed funds rate, the interest rate that banks pay for loaning money from the Federal Reserve, again, applies to all of the countries around the world. Just look for the interest rates, the bank rates that they have to pay. The central bank loans them the money, the commercial banks. Look for that rate, and the lower it is, chances are the more people are going to be purchasing homes. As soon as they increase them, people have more foreclosures, people have a harder time. Last but not least, if you want to see these for any of the cities around the world, maybe it's the city you live in, or maybe it's a city you're interested in, just go to a search engine and type in, for example, vacancy rates Toronto. Chances are you will get that government website to come up and show you exactly what you need. If you want to see any of the links for this video, they will be in the description here, so check those out. And remember to look into the indicators, not just one or two, but look into as many as you possibly can to figure this all out. If you found this video informative, please give me a thumbs up. And last but not least, if you want to see more of this type of video, just check out my website, themoneygps.com. I have a free e-course that has tons of videos just like this one. Take care.